Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 10 Server Edition on VirtualBox. Okay, so first go to AlmaLinux OS official website and download. It is almalinux.org. Hit enter, then click on download. See here at the time of installation, the latest release of AlmaLinux is 10 and other versions are here. See here we have the 9 and 8. Here in AlmaLinux OS, ISOs, we have three types: DVD, boot, and minimal. If you want to find the differences, go to here, see. They have defined the differences. So in this video, I'm going to download the DVD ISO. It is up to you. But the installation process for DVD, boot, and minimal are same. So I'm going to download this DVD ISO. Click on it to download. No need to register. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 6.8 gigabytes. I'm canceling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download complete. See here, I have already downloaded AlmaLinux OS 10 DVD ISO image. Okay, once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you want to install VirtualBox on your machine, then search for my YouTube channel, how to install VirtualBox on Windows or Linux operating systems. Open it. Then click on New or go to Machine and select New. Both are same. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I'm giving Alma Server 10 VMO. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name, and this is the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. So if you want some other locations, then select then click on drop down and select other. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Then create a folder for it. Select the folder. Then select the downloaded ISO image. Go to other. Then see here we have the AlmaLinux OS. Open it. See, once we selected, type change it to Linux, subtype to Red Hat, and version 64-bit, because in subtype we don't have AlmaLinux. Okay, so then select the checkbox, skip unattended installation. Then go to hardware. Here by default memory is 2 gigabytes. I'm giving 4 gigabytes. Number of CPU cores 2. Then hard disk I'm giving 50 gigabytes. These are all based on availability. Then click on finish. Okay. Still, if you want to modify the settings, click on settings or right click and select settings, or go to machine and settings. All three options are same. And only option that I want to change is go to settings, then system, then change this pointing device to USB tablet. Then click on OK. Then click on start. Now use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install AlmaLinux 10.0 and hit enter. See, if cursor is grayed out, just press right control key from your keyboard to release the cursor. Now select the language and click on continue. See here, the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So click on destination. I'm okay with the default one. Then root account. See here, by default it has selected disable root account. I want to enable it, so select enable. Then you have to set the password for root account. Provide the password, confirm the same. Then select the checkbox, that is allow root SSH login. Then click on done. And done. Now create user. I'm giving user full name as R2schools, and this is the username. And see the checkboxes: add administrative privileges to this user account and require password to use this account. So provide the password. Then again confirm the same. Then click on done. Now we have to select the software selection. By default, click on here. By default, it is server with GUI. But in this video, our purpose is server edition. So select server. Then you have to select these additional softwares. You can see here we have like debugging, DNS name server, and other options like FTP server. Whatever you want, you can select, like desktop environment, genome, or anything. Okay, I'm okay with. So select whatever the features that you want. Then click on done. Again, I'm telling you, for server edition, we have to select server, not the server with GUI. Okay, this is only for server. Okay, then see here we are able to click on begin installation. So click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I'm going to pause this video, and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, we have successfully installed. Now click on reboot system. Now provide the username that we have created, or you can give the root account. and see here the version AlmaLinux 10.0 and its name is Purple Line. Okay, so I have created user after schools, then provide the password of this user. See, we have successfully logged in. Now verify the version that we have installed. /etc OS-release. See, we have installed AlmaLinux OS 10. Now, the first step after connecting to AlmaLinux OS 10 is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update & sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. Again, we have successfully updated packages. Control A. So in this video, we have seen how to download and install AlmaLinux OS 10 server edition on VirtualBox. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.